Hey everyone, Jonas here again, and we're back to the another figure reviews. This time, look at the Transformers Ages of the Primes Deluxe Class Air Raid. So, Air Raid, he is the Aerobot. He's a member of the Aerobots. Got this. He had birthdays from the last week ago. So, really excited to get this one. You can see he's already out of the package. So, I apologize then. So we'll get into the figures then. Before we look at it, let's take a look at the package first. Just like a Primus and everyone else, he has pretty much the same package. Nice little package. It says Transform Agent Prime. It says Array, the Aerobots. And you can see on the top here, it says 1 of 5. It says collect all 5, get the superiors. On the top here, nice little artwork here in this vehicle mode. The other side here, we have some pretty much the same, except he has a other members. I don't know his names. I think his name is Onyx Prime. I believe that was confirmed. That was coming the way free. And the second one is the middle is the Amalgamus Prime. I guess I'm correct. And the last one is I forgot his name. I can't remember his name. Her that was a member of 13 Primes. On the other side, it says collected to combine the of the this collecting and combine, and you get image of a superior. That was pretty badass. And on the back, that was it. It shows the figures of Robo mode to Jet mode, and that was it. That's pretty much it. It says 17 step, and that's pretty much it. No bios. There was no re-ups, no nothing. No other figures available. So I think the only figures available there is Slingshot. They already came out. I could get this one sometimes, and it's made by Hasbro from 2025. So anyway, let's take a look at the air raids out of the box. Alright, we're back with Air Raid out of the package, and you can see he's got all the weapon equips. What it comes with. Now he does come with it comes with a two little blaster pistol guns. It comes with two blaster pistols. It's just a little black plastic. It's kind of hard to see. And looks nice, just a black plastic. It has a little peg here. It goes a little peg. It's a hole on his wing. Goes peg on his. Trying to put both his wing here, and the other one is some peg hole is kind of wait no, on his peg holes here goes like that. So onto the vehicle itself. Now this vehicle is based on a jet. Nice little detail, just a black plastic with windshields, like cockpits of silver, white plastic. Down the bottom, it has a robot junks. The shows on the back, it has a little dresser here. It does have a nice landing gears, but it has a little Autobot symbol. It does go opens on Nikolai Flying. But it does have a cool feature. It takes the landing gear to like that. Now, my only complaint is this wheel's landing gear does not have wheels. Now, before we get to transform to robo mode, there was also a cool feature. There was the arm up for Bruticus, or not Bruticus, Superior. First thing was unpaying is open. Then next one, you can see it open is here. You guys, you can't see it. Opens a split. So looks like that. So looks like that. Oh, and gotta take this to here, and here, I'll turn you around, and here I have Bruticus or Superior in his arms. Here he has Superior in his right arms. I don't know. I'm really excited for. Can't wait to see Combiners. Now, the final one is transformed to road mode. Where you're looking, and also point out you can actually see is looks like. Oh, sorry, not the hand. You can see that was arms here. Now let's go unpeg his hair. Rotate this, unconnected, and finally his head rotating around, and that was it. Oh, and the rotating around was that, and that's pretty much it. So here is Superior Air Raid in his robot mode. This looks very stunning how he looks and how he did the capture of the animated shares. Very accurate. Now, this figure stands about almost 5.5 inches tall because of the cone's backpack is large. Now, quick size comparison. Here is next to Optimus Prime from Studio Series. Now you can see it looks pretty similar size. And the side by side as well. Now, as for the weapons, it does hold a weapon to his blaster pistol in his hands, like that. Before we look at the figure itself, it looks like a look at the structure book list. It comes with a structure book list, and you can see it says collect all the fire. And this one on point, you can see a pointing finger. That was he's a left legs. So I found myself confusing. That was the left leg, not arms. So I apologize that. So sorry for that. The head sculpt for Air Raid and was surprisingly stunning. He looks just like how he did in the animated series. I like his helmets are cyber is a white. I like his top is silver, is metallic. I like the eyes are actually blue. His eyes are blue. They're not light pipes. Overall, it looks nice. The detail. It has a little Autobot symbol. The rest overall looks nice. Events on the front, on the back. The only thing I don't like, he has a big old backpack cone on his backpacks. But that's fine. He does clothes resembling how he looks in the anime shows. Not much complaining was a lot. Now, as for articulation for Air Raid, he does have heads on a ball joint 360 degrees. It does the side to side. It does go up. Oops. And he does go up. Things like flying. His arms goes up and down. Goes in and out that much. He has a bicep swivel. Bend of the elbows. No wrist articulation. That's kind of unfortunately. It does go left or right because of transformation. It does kind of waist can rotate. His leg is forwards and back. Goes in and out. Bicep swivel. Then in the knee. And his ankles forwards and back. Goes side to side. Oh, and also has wings can left right. That's about pretty much articulations. And that is it. That is my review of Transformers the Deluxe Class Series, Age of the Prime Air Raid. Overall, it's a really nice looking figure. It's a very nice little detail. I like the head sculpt. I like the colors and the has fun. The transformation is surprisingly pretty easy compared to the previous one. Unlike the Scrapper or because transformation is kind of hard to mix. Overall, it's a very nice little detail. I'm very excited to get the rest of the aerial bots to get. I mean, the Silverbolt was already hit the store shelf very soon, but Silverbolt is Commander class. He's going to be very expensive, and the Firefly and Nosedive was confirmed is coming in November. I think it's November 2025, and it will be the last member of the final member of the Aerobots. Once collect all 5 of them, you get a huge. I'm very excited. I can't wait to get the hands on the Silverbolt. Now, unfortunately, I don't have Slingshot. I think it's going to hit the shelf and might be able to find it. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Be sure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, thanks for watching, and goodbye.